everyone, welcome back to Real Cooking DNA Kitchen. In today's episode, I will be making Ukodo, popularly known as yam pepper soup. I'll be making this Ukodo, this special traditional Ukodo with goat meat. Yeah, I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you the easy step, just one easy step, nothing too serious about it, okay? Just one easy step. I'll be making my Ukodo today and it's going to taste so good. I'm very sure of that. So quickly guys, let's get started. Here are my ingredients, all right? So quickly, let's put all these ingredients together and arrive at a very wonderful result. All right, our goat meat and our water sitting pretty in the pot. Add my crayfish. Be a little bit generous with crayfish. Seasoning. Salt to taste. Just stir this in very well. I didn't add too much water because the goat meat is going to release its own water. So I wouldn't want this to be too watery. So here my yam goes in immediately. I know you'll be wondering why am I putting the yam and the goat meat at the same time, because I want the goat meat taste to sink into the yam. I love that feel and I love that taste. Stir this in together. Let this sit in very well. All right, you guys, I'm gonna cover this and I'll let this cook for 10 minutes and then we'll be back. All right guys, let's see how our Ukodo is doing. Wow, Ukodo is doing very well. So now I'm going to add my fresh pepper in there and also my pepper soup spice. I'm not adding all, just with the quantity. You see the reason why I added the goat meat and the yam together. So you can see the yam color has really changed because the taste, the juice from the goat meat has sinked in to the yam. So right now guys, hey, this environment right now is the aroma right now is so inviting. It's so inviting. Wow, this smells so good. So I'm gonna give this a very good mix. This is what I love. I love my Ukodo when the yam, the color of the yam is, you know, when you have this kind of color, okay? So that is more inviting for me this way. So that's why I had to cook the goat meat and the yam together. So let's cover this and let this cook for just 3 minutes. Guys, it's 3 minutes already. So this is time I'll just sprinkle my scent leaf in there just a little bit. And I'll give this a very good mix. Ukodo is mainly owned by the Deltas, all right, the Urobos and all that. And he prepared this for Omugwo. This is Omugwo Ukodo, all right? Omugwo Ukodo. See guys, this is so inviting and looks so yummy. I usually don't do this, but I'm gonna do it. Have a taste. Okay, now this is really inviting. So just allow this rest for just 1 minute and then we'll see how it goes. You guys, it's 1 minute already. It's 1 minute already. We don't need to cook this any further. Guys, our Ukodo is ready. You can see how yummy and attractive this looks. So guys, this Ukodo right here is good for cold weather and for Omugwo. Yeah, so that woman that just put to bed, you can make this for her as a surprise. All right guys, thank you all for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Turn on the notification post so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video. From me, it's bye. See you next week. Eat healthy, stay healthy, and drink healthy. Bye.